what's up? Welcome back. Hello, we're using clay today.
What was that?
No! So, this is an impromptu 3 Idiots kitchen. We're not really baking anything, but we're making something.
I'm on the cool side.
3 Idiots workshop. Boom. Okay.
Huh?
So we got this little balls of clay from a thingamajiggy we went to today. So, maybe
Sticky.
it looks like poop. Good to know. Good to know.
It's your twin.
Hey! Why does yours have orange stuff in it?
It's reused clay.
I know that, but I reused clay and it does not have that orange stuff in it.
I don't know.
Does yours have orange stuff in it?
It has white stuff in it. That is not how you make a pinch pot.
Yeah. We're making pinch pots.
Oh, I know.
Pinch pots. Okay.
What?
Do you know what a pinch pot is?
You take a pot and you pinch it.
We're making pots. How about that? Just make any kind of pot you want.
It's really a bowl.
Oh, well, maybe you shouldn't do that. Hey, that's a bowl.
Remember that bowl that we tried to make in art class? Look, mine's up there.
Go get it. Go get it.
Fell
Show
off.
Be very careful, Adrian.
You can break it if you really want to.
I broke mine. It's okay.
The beak fell off.
Here.
It was mine is really bad.
It's a beautiful peacock.
Wait, it used to have an orange beak.
Okay, I guess we'll put this right here. Beautiful. Okay.
What's that?
Adrian, what are you doing?
I don't know, I'm just kind of messing around. I thought it was Play-Doh.
No, it's clay.
So it's adult Play-Doh.
Yes.
So what's the first step?
What are you doing? Pinching it.
Is mine good?
Sure. Can we get a little bowl of water in here? Oh, look at her tail.
Come here, mommy, my baby.
Puppy treats. Can you pick her up? I'm thinking mine's looking pretty good.
I'm thinking mine's
Come
plate.
here. Come here. Come here. Can you see her? Here she is.
Oh, Rosie.
Nice. Do not bite my finger off. Here.
Bite her finger off.
Bite her finger off. Bite.
I'm literally doing nothing but playing around with this clay.
I'm almost done with the basic shape of my pot. What's taking you so long?
I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of like...
You've actually taken a ceramics class.
But I haven't made pots.
I don't take ceramics. I don't take any art classes.
Same.
I'm taking 2 right now.
Well, you take choir, don't you?
That's not an art class.
That technically is art.
It's fine arts. It's different than art.
And it's different from language arts, too.
Okay, Adrian, get over here again.
On the cool side.
The left side is always the cool side.
That's what the lefty's saying. Just kidding, I'm not lefty.
Okay. So here's the basic shape of my pot.
So here's the basic shape of my turd.
Here's mine.
Okay. So I guess the next thing to do.
So very not artistic. Next thing to do.
What does firing them do?
It makes them. You put a glaze on them.
Ooh, look at that! You're just smart.
You can just paint them too.
Yeah, but firing them makes them stronger.
It makes it actually able to use.
Yeah.
Our brother took ceramics class.
Your brother did?
So he was actually really good at it.
Health.
I am starting to design my pot.
I've already been designing.
I'm starting to design my collapsible plot. Da 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 da.
Okay, no, I don't like that. I don't like that.
Did you just lick it?
Pizza!
So give it to yourself.
Move.
We will be back after a short pizza break. Oh my gosh, Adrian, you're gonna get like crumbs in your pot.
That's okay.
Okay, so we came back from our food break. How did everybody eat?
Good.
Muy bien.
Okay, we are not starting that again.
We left you a voicemail all in Spanish.
Why did you even say that?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but it's kind of looking cute. So I'm gonna keep doing it.
It's done.
Yours done? What about all those cracks in it?
Did you put designs in it?
Put the dot there, you dot there.
Oh my gosh, Adrian! The immune system.
that right there.
Saturation.
That's a big word.
Now he squeezes over that.
Don't you dare get water in my pot.
Hey, you know who also said that? What's his face? Oh my gosh. That was great though. I showed my sisters that and they're like, "You're the dumbest person I know." I was like, "Yup."
Johnny.
Here's Papa.
Eating sugar.
Yes, Papa.
That's not how the song goes.
It's a song. What the heck?
Rosie, come
I
back.
just remember hearing Carlos say it all the time. So I was like, "Oh, okay."
Rosie.
Eyes. No, Papa. Open wide. Ha ha ha.
Here's a baby. Oh no, it stick to the plate.
Hello, you want this? Come here. Do you have a knife?
She probably will eat it if you would let her. Yes, they're in the drawer with the paper plates.
No, baby. I'm sorry. I love you too much to let you die. Womp womp.
Don't worry, her sister has eaten a whole bag of Rolos and she's still alive. So that basically erases whatever you did when you put water on it. That's awesome.
I know. That's why I put mine. Covered it with water.
And then somebody's like, "Oh my god, more on it." I was like, "I know."
More? I found out what this is gonna be. It's gonna be a doggy bowl.
That's a small dog.
Yeah, it's a little yippy dog.
I hate yippy dogs.
My yippy dog.
Except Percy.
Oh, I hate my dog.
And Peanut.
That's so mean.
It was an accident. Okay, I'm done. I'm not touching it anymore. I'm done. Except for I am gonna put
Roll's
little.
gonna get you. Down. Come at you like a spider.
We add decoration. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Were you there when we watched Hush?
Yes, I was there.
That was scary.
Yeah, I told Mackenzie that, but she said it wasn't.
Did you? I thought you watched it before.
What are you barking at?
There's a kitty.
Oh no! The cat is back.
What cat? It's a kitty.
She hates cats. Where did it go?
Wait, let me see this.
Oh my gosh!
Cat. Rosie, do you not like kitties?
Not at all.
Look, kitty gone. Too far out now.
It's okay. It's just the alarm system.
It's fine. It's fine. You're fine.
She likes this one. Like all dogs will when you buy Adrian's right for.
Adrian's what?
I don't know. Ripe boy?
Ripe?
Ripe
that yours?
Ebola.
What? Ripe Ebola?
Yes.
Did it go away, Rosie? It's
I
probably
named
the
this bowl-
neighbors.
This
Neighbor's
board is
cat.
named
Okay.
Ebola because
You're
that's
not
what it
allowed
looks
to.
like.
I know you want to go get the cat, but you're standing here.
Oh, we got spoons. This is plastic.
Yes, it is. You're amazing.
I thought there was a person out